Oregon is expecting its first vaccine shipments in a matter of days. Fox 12's Audrey WEIL is bringing us up to speed on the state's plans so far and how Washington County commissioners weighed in today.
Statewide, there are two big numbers to remember here. Governor Kate Brown says Oregon expects to get 147,000 doses of vaccines, and she expects about 100,000 Oregonians to actually get the vaccine by the end of this year. After 9 long months, we'll be entering a new phase of the COVID-19 pandemic with vaccines soon on the way.
We're getting there, and that's a really good sign, a hopeful sign. So what a way to kick off a new year.
In a Zoom presentation in Town Hall Saturday, Washington County commissioners outlined some of the big points and answered some of the pressing questions on people's minds, reminding everyone, though, that it's still early in the vaccination process and not all of the distribution details are clear yet.
We are at the very first stage of understanding, of experiencing what that distribution is going to take. They start shipping tomorrow. So as anxious as I am to know, so what month can I go get vaccinated? And I'm very anxious for everyone in our community to know that. Those details just aren't known yet.
Oregon Governor Kate Brown says staff at hospitals and other inpatient facilities who have direct patient contact, especially with COVID-19 patients, will be first to be vaccinated, including workers who do things like housekeeping and food service, followed by those at outpatient facilities.
We think this step will also help slow community spread, especially among communities of color who comprise a disproportionate share of the workforce among non-medical staff in hospitals and at our nursing homes.
Governor Brown says Oregon will launch an outreach effort to build trust and confidence in the vaccines. And the Oregon Health Authority says its Vaccine Advisory Committee is creating a plan centered on the experiences of communities of color, tribal communities, and people with disabilities. Overall, OHA says 70% of Oregonians will need to be vaccinated to achieve community immunity. The Washington County commissioners say they're hoping by the end of June there will be vaccines available for every Oregonian, and that their understanding is the general public may have access to the vaccine around June or July. Because vaccinations will take several months, the Oregon Health Authority and the county commissioners today said that this is absolutely not the time to let our guard down when it comes to masks, social distancing, or limiting the number of interactions we're having with other people. They say that we did a good job over Thanksgiving, and we need to do that again for Christmas. Reporting in North Portland, Audrey WEIL, Fox 12 Oregon.